how to edit a PDF file in Canva. To show you this, I've opened the startup page in Canva. I'm just going to go to the top right corner here where it says create a design. I'm going to look down here where it says import file, and I'm going to click on that. And now I can choose my PDF file. Okay, now in order to find it, we have to scroll down here where it says recent designs. And once it's done importing it, we can open it. Okay, just gonna click on it and it will open it in a new tab. And as you can see, I can edit every object here, like the text, these elements here, also all kinds of photos. It's all editable. And once you want to save it again, you just go to this top right corner here where it says share. You're going to click on download down here, and you're going to choose PDF standard. And this will create a new PDF with your edited design. And that's how you edit a PDF file in Canva. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.